안 돼, 안 돼. This is an informal way to say no or no way. Again, 안 돼 is used to say no way. Next word is 선배. Again, it's 선배. And this is used as a term to call someone who is older than you in terms of experience, or it is used to call someone who is more experienced than you. Next word is 후배. Again, it's 후배, and this is used as a term to call someone younger or to call someone who has less experience than you. Again, it's 후배. Next word is nega. Again, it's nega or dega, and this is used to say I or me. Again, nega or dega is I or me. Next word is bo or mo. Again, it's bo or mo, and this is used to say what in Korean. Again, bo means what. Next word is ojima. Again, it's ojima, and this is used to say don't cry in an informal manner. Again, ojima means don't cry. Next word is 슬프다. Again, it's 슬프다, and this is a verb which means to be sad. Again, 슬프다 means to be sad. Next word is hana. Again, it's hana, and this is the native Korean number 1. Again, hana means 1. Next word is shiro. Again, it's shiro, which means I hate it. Again, shiro is used to say I hate it. Next word is pizza. Again, it's pizza. This is considered a loan word, and it is simply the Koreanized version of pizza. Again, pizza is pizza.